The near-miss multiple interactor test evaluates the ability of the detection and tracking subsystem to accurately detect and track multiple trackless mobile machines in the detection area. During this test, no interventions from the CxD system will be applied to any test vehicle. In this test, Test Vehicle 1 will pass the stationary test vehicles at 30 km per hour, starting from a distance exceeding 200 meters. The test concludes once Test Vehicle 1 has passed Test Vehicle 6 and the distance between the two exceeds 50 meters.